What's up, you guys? It's me, the Queen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be kind of like going over cosmetic kits, like both. And I just want to see if these are actually good at all, because I've never had one before. So I'm curious just to see what it's like, and I want to know if this stuff's actually good. Now, this is not vegan, and I just want to see if the formula's good. And personally, I don't mind if a product's not vegan. I know some people do. I'm not that big of a freak about it, or a fanatic. But it comes with eyeshadow, blush, highlight, contour, shimmer, powder, gloss, and mascara, and it comes with 3 applicator things. So we're just gonna try it all. We're basically gonna do like most of our face with it and see if it's like a good yes or no, like in my opinion. I found this up yesterday just to like take a peek. It comes with a mirror and like a different, I don't even know, like color stories and stuff. And then it like opens into this, and then there's like more, because there's this button thing. This is it opened. I think it's interesting. Oh, well, that fell. I'm not gonna use the tools because I know what I'm doing and I don't like these. I know these are bad. So starting out with kind of like a contour, I'm using my fan brush and I'm thinking this shade for me, because it's only dark and light shades, which is a problem with these things, is that they normally don't, they aren't very inclusive. So it's there. I'm not like a major contour person, and that just like evaporated. Alright, there's a highlighter and bronzer. The highlighter is purely shimmer, which I'm like curious about. There's like no banana powder or anything in this really for blending that out with. There's like a lighter contour shade. It's not the worst contour in the world. It's not the best, but it's not horrible. Like I feel like if you blend it out enough, like sure the product probably is not the best, but this was like $20 because the tag was left on the back, and I was like, alright, it's not awful. It's like, it's okay. It's not something I would grab. So there are these 2 blushes. This one's sparkly, this one's like pink. So I'm gonna use the pink one just because it doesn't really have much shimmer in it, which when it comes to blush, I don't want shimmer in my blush at all. I hate it. This is not a place for it. So it's on the brush. Naturally, I wouldn't expect it to come off the best, but then again, it could just be the product. So we got a faint flush. You can kind of see it over here. Yeah, so it's there, you know, it's not disgusting, it's not bad, it's not great though, you know, like there are so many more blushes out there. Then again, there's a whole other blush that I haven't tried and I'm not planning on trying, so. Okay, so now for the eye products, I'm scared. So I'm gonna use the colors in this square. So I'm using this color as a base. There's so much fallout. Literally, it's a base color though, so I'm not like mad. So for crease color, I'm gonna use this purple. Oof. Alright, so I'm gonna use this purple here. I'm scared to like be heavy-handed in this at all. Like I don't know how anything's gonna come off, so I'm anxious. My throat. Alright, so after that color, I'm feeling this pink on my lid. Like nothing happened. I need to intensify this purple out here. So far, the formula's it's nothing great. It's kind of boring. That's just what I think. I'm going with this like purple shimmer. I think it's shimmer. Maybe not. That is crap. I don't know, maybe if I blend it out, it'll look okay. Like I'm going to. I'm just gonna add that color now. It's like this rose gold wannabe tone. Now that shade's actually not bad. Like I'm not mad at that one. I'm just gonna take the brush and it evaporated. Wow. I'm just gonna use the base color and try blending out the rest of it, because literally everything just evaporated in front of me. I can't keep my other eye open for some reason today. This is really sad. It's not blending. It doesn't like want to move. Like I don't even know what I can do to fix that. I don't know. I'm just gonna try to intensify this shade and maybe it'll work. It worked, kinda. So after you add eyeliner, if you do winged eyeliner, it definitely takes it somewhere. The formula still sucks though. Like, I mean, it was there, but like, it just didn't work. This didn't come with an eyeliner too. I just used my Wet n Wild one. This is the Break Up Proof liquid formula. It's so good. It's such a good formula. Anyway, so mascara. I'm not gonna wear falsies just because I want to really give this a chance, I guess. And I'm out of lash glue. This is a very small mini mascara, which I have no problem with. It's cute. It's whatever. But like, will it work? It's curled. This formula is like water. I'm not even kidding. Like, it's actually like water. Where did my mirror go? This thing is so dirty. Whatever. Y'all, you can't even see it. It's like water. I mean, does it look okay on the bottom? This is pure shimmer though, so I'm scared. Excuse me? I had to like put so much on. Oh my god, that fallout, that fallout. Ooh. That's actually not horrible. Whoa. It's kind of cute. Like, it's like you have to go hard in the pan, but this could definitely be cute if you like really take your time and like work with it. I think it could definitely look nice. So the highlighter's not horrible. Like, I'm dead serious. I forgot to use the bronzer. Where's my brush? Oof. I don't care. Fall. I don't. Let me just use this bronzer right quick. A nice. Jeez, that's dark. I'm a very light person. I'm one of the lightest people you might ever meet. So, look okay. I don't enjoy it. Now for the lip products, there's like a couple lip gloss stick things. I'm gonna use this and like I'm gonna squirt some water on it because I don't want to use a brush or anything like that to do this. So, and these are like sponges. Like, they have the consistency of a sponge. So I'm just playing with it right now. I'm thinking this. Yeah, I'm gonna go with it. It's very creamy. Maybe it's because I'm using this sponge. I don't like these things. These are awful. Oh, it's because the color so close to my natural lip color. Seriously though, there's like nothing. Like, it comes off really nice and creamy, like you see it. Oh god. I'm gonna try a different color. So I'm gonna use the red that's in it because I feel like this red looks kind of promising. This looks sad. That's a lot. That is orange, kinda. Yo, that's bright. Alright, so I don't know if you need to see this, but I accidentally took like a whole chunk of it. I think it might be just because the pan. Now I kind of just want to try all of these just because we're gonna try this like cherry pink. Wow, and that's like have to dig into it again. That's actually not horrible. I think I'm gonna stick with this color for today. So my final thoughts on this product, it's just a no. There were a few good things in it. Like the highlighter, it's cute. It's not bad. It's a nice little glow. And the lip products weren't all bad. I just feel like it'd be much better in a lipstick or something like that, or like just an individual thing on its own. Because this doesn't feel horrible. Like, it kind of comes off. Not horrible though. The shadows were, it was okay. The contour is kind of bland. The bronzer is not bad. So overall, is it worth it? No. This is $20. These things are $20, like around that price range. I normally see them for like $20 to $30. So, is it worth it for the holiday grab? or whatever, no, it's not worth it. This isn't really something I would even recommend to anyone ever. Like, I don't care if you're traveling or anything. No, the shadows were they're boring. The mascara, it sucked. It's literally invisible. You can't see anything with it. It's bland. So all in all, this is just garbage. I'm keeping it honest here. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.